This video was going to cover the installation of these Hedman headers onto my '88 Dodge D100. But what started as a simple header install quickly snowballed into much, much more. And here is the culprit: a broken manifold stud on the passenger side cylinder head. It was recessed up into the head about a 1/4 inch or so. We tried several different methods of removal with no luck. So that really left us with only one option, and that was to remove the cylinder head, take it to a machine shop, and have them drill out the broken stud. This would have been a great time to do a cam upgrade since the heads are off, but this is 2022, and the cam I wanted was going to be a 6-month wait, so that was just not an option at this time. Yes, it's pretty much a rat's nest of vacuum lines and hoses. Lots and lots of dirt and crud. Not only on the outside, but unfortunately on the inside as well. We've got a lot of cleaning to do here. And the cleaning begins. TG from Grant Racing did a mild cleanup on the porch for me. I cleaned and polished the stock valves. And TG hand lapped the valves in. Here we did a simple leak test with water, and remember, this is with no valve spring, so we're just relying on the weight of the valve itself to seal. Looks good. I'd call that success. No water leaked past the valves. ARP head bolts. And an 027 Cometic head gasket. The valve train cleaned up surprisingly well, with only minimal wear to the rocker shafts and rockers. The push rods had a little more wear than I would have liked, but like everything else at this time, they're on back order as well, so for the time being, the stock original push rods are going back in. The Hedman headers fit much better than our previous attempt, although on the driver's side, they were slightly touching the frame rail. To remedy this, I bought new motor mounts and also had to make some spacers for the driver's side as it's still set lower than the passenger side. After installing those, and with some minor clearancing on the frame, we've got plenty of room now. The passenger side installed without issue.